Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. A few weeks ago, I did a review on a new company called Primera, and I was super excited about it because it was a clean beauty brand from one of my most favorite companies. It is from Amore Pacific. Amore Pacific is one of the best-selling Korean skincare brands, and I was so thrilled that they were launching this brand Primera at Sephora. If you're not familiar with Primera and their products, Primera is a clean beauty brand. It's formulated without any parabens, mineral oil, animal-derived ingredients, synthetic colorants, artificial fragrances, TEA, or I think you say it this way, amina diazoladinyl urea, I believe. It is dermatologist tested for all skin types. It also has eco packaging. All the packaging is recyclable. And the science behind the brand is that all of Primera's products are formulated from some type of either plant or fruit seed, particularly the seed sprouts. Primera Prime, getting the seeds in the prime of their life, that is what this company is all about. This little set that they sent me for review is called Glow is All You Seed. It's full of their best sellers. It has a mild facial peeling gel, miracle seed essence, which I already know I love that. I've tried that before, alpine berry water cream, and it has their clean berry lip mask. It is supposed to brighten, hydrate, exfoliate, and protect your skin. It is a glow boosting skin sampler, all TSA approved, which is really great. So you can take any of these with you on a plane. There won't be a problem with that. And they're all designed to give your skin radiance and moisture. I haven't even seen what's in this little kit that they sent me. I thought this kit was so cute. It's a really great introductory kit that shows you some of Primera's premier products. So it comes like this. They pack in here some of their little facial squares. These facial squares are excellent. I've tried them. I love them. I have their mild facial peeling gel. Do a quick demo of this. I've done it before. I really love this facial peeling gel because all you do is rub it into dry skin, and then what I do is add just a touch of water, and then all the dead skin cells peel off my skin, and it leaves my skin feeling smooth and beautiful. The other things that were in here are their miracle seed essence. I've tried and reviewed their essence before. I'll actually leave a link to the review that I did. It is a wonderful essence that goes right into your skin, and you can see it just hydrates and brightens the skin pretty much immediately. This is one of the essences that I have on my little side table. There is also in here a clean berry lip mask. Let me see the consistency of this. Smells a little bit like berries, but not overpowering. Just a really clean scent. And it is a nice, thick, hydrating lip mask. What I like about it is it really adheres to your lips. It doesn't bleed all over. And then this is their Alpine Berry Water Cream. This is supposed to hydrate and illuminate. It's also supposed to make your skin feel very smooth and soft. There is no scent to this. It's a very rich, lovely cream. I love the fact that this company was kind of launched by Amore Pacific because I am a true lover of Amore Pacific and all their skincare, and I love their makeup. Really hydrating, actually goes into your skin, doesn't feel like it's laying on top of the skin, and you can see it just makes my skin look brighter, smoother, just makes my skin look very hydrated and glowing. I have loved all their skincare, everything I've tried so far. And this is a great little starter kit for anyone that's interested in clean beauty and also interested in kind of testing out this particular brand. It comes from one of the leading Korean beauty brands. They always do everything right. Because it is clean beauty, it's formulated without a list of over 50 ingredients that are kind of the bad ingredients, which include sulfates, SLEs, SLES, parabens, phthalates. And if you want an entire list of the ingredients and what this is not formulated with, all you have to do is go to the, I believe, Sephora website, and they will tell you what is in here and what is not in here. If you are interested in kind of testing out a clean beauty brand that has products that I think you will really enjoy and products that will be similar, I think, to brands that you currently love, and if you're trying to go clean, this is a great brand to try. This is a company I have really fallen in love with. I'll put a link to this little Glow Is All You Seed set down in my description box. Take care, guys. Hope you enjoyed hearing about this. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.